Okay guys, for all Datcoin airdroppers, Datcoin users, we have new update with regards to their wallet. If you see this one tab here, this is the official Datcoin ticker symbol, DTC. So this is our points. As of now, I have 5.9 million. So these points will be converted to DTC mining. Okay, soon when the team release, we will convert these points into DTC. This is the official coin of that coin, ticker DTC. So if you click this, then for level 1 you need 50,000 points so that you can convert your points into DTC mining. Okay, so soon when it's available, you need to click here and convert these points to DTC mining. Okay, this is the new update for all Datcoin users. Okay, so as of now, we need to tap. Okay, if you click this portfolio, you can see this is under development. So Ton and Datcoin. So if you already enable this, go to portfolio and claim your Datcoin here. Okay, so don't forget to connect your wallet. Just like me, I need to connect. Okay, connect my wallet. How to connect it? Okay, 0.12 fee. Okay, send. Confirm operation. Okay, that is guys, you need to connect the wallet so that you are updated to what's happening on the Datcoin wallet. Okay.